We're here at the Clissy's Customs. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Hey, boss.
Hi.
Hey, what you got for us here?
Yes.
Oh, that looks like fun to me.
Be ready to fucking lift.
Oh, great.
Sucks.
Oh, we got the motor. What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. If you haven't liked it, yes. If you haven't liked it already, give it a thumbs up. We got David and Mitch here.
Hi, how are you?
And now we got the motor for the Cavalier.
Little
What's
update. My head is at the machine shop right now, getting fixed.
Yeah.
And I will be ordering a clutch very soon.
Yo, lit. I can't wait.
I know you can't. My buns. Oh, and I got all the shit for the brake lines for next week.
Oh, really?
It's coming in the mail this Friday.
Hell yeah, dude. Look at that. Slapped.
From over here, pull the whole engine in half an hour.
Yeah. Pulling it in a half hour, you break things.
Mitch tried to beat it.
Yeah. Well, look at what happened. Now we have to probably have to spend $700 now.
Also, you might have gotten a little bit of undercoating. Maybe. It may have spilled a little bit of oil.
My truck?
Yeah.
That's what it's for. It's a truck. A little bit of oil, huh? You said?
You said a little bit.
That's
a lot of
little bit of oil. The entire thing is covered.
I don't believe anything he says anymore.
No, we should just.
We were gonna put this in my car.
No, you're funny.
No, he really was.
Oh
he
my
He like
God.
all tarped off. I'm like, dude, let's just take.
What? Yeah, just put it in the truck.
He's like, no, I don't want. I was like, dude, let's just take my truck. He
God
goes,
damn, dude.
His dad says, he goes, yeah, we should probably just.
Yeah, it's smarter to just put it in the truck. All right, let's get this. We're gonna get this out, and I'll update you guys when we do. We got it in the garage with no oil anymore.
It's all in the back of my truck.
All in the back of his truck. That's funny as hell. We got a bunch of parts here. What is the plans for today?
Suck dick, get paid.
Okay. Well, we haven't got paid yet, so.
Yeah, just ain't sucking that good.
Oh.
Drain the oil on this.
Drain the oil on that, yeah.
I'm gonna finish the front brake spacer thing, reinforcement, and I don't know.
We'll figure out the rest. Do you have any tools for the brakes and? Yeah. All right. Cool. So we can do that now. And yeah, we should reinforce the bar underneath the bumper. Nice. We're gonna start draining the oil out of this.
And I stressed to you enough. Please do not drop the drain plug in there.
It's black.
How? Look at it.
What do you mean how?
Wait, is it metallic-y?
Overfueling.
Probably mixture of
gas.
gas and metal chips. I'm surprised there's still oil in it. Okay.
There's a couple quarts left.
Couple quarts.
Yeah, 3 of them are in my truck.
You lost a washer. You doing the brakes?
I know where they are.
Yeah. We got Mitch putting on the brakes. They're done, right? Or you still have more shit?
No, they're done. I just gotta make, other than this, I gotta make the 2 brake lines next week. Then we're gonna adjust this thing.
Yeah.
Do that, and then, I don't know, we'll figure something out.
Figure some other shit out, yeah. Dude, I have no idea. Like, the last video is doing really good now. It's almost at like 200 views. Yeah, the one you guys made is almost like 200 views. Yeah, the tire one, that's not doing too good yet. Give it a month and it'll probably have like 500. If you haven't already, please subscribe.
Try and bend this closed.
Yeah, that might work. If you bend it, it might bump it up enough. Just enough. Yeah, I definitely need to tack those better.
You know how bad I want to put this motor in?
Bad? So we're gonna try to move this up a little, so this alignment here is gonna be better on the bumper.
So if I didn't fuck up my clutch when I pulled the motor, we can put the motor in right now.
Oh my god, dude.
That went up. We'll set that back up.
Alright. David's gonna run and grab propane for us because we're completely pretty much out. And in the meanwhile, I'm gonna do the final welds to this and make it look good. Oh, I need a wire brush to clean this up first. And so I'll see you, David. I'll miss you.
Love you.
Oh god. David shit himself. This shit's gonna throw up everywhere. Chill.
I don't want my burger shit going on. Oh my god!
Jesus. Oh no.
Don't start welding.
Oh no.
You're gonna fucking blow up. Oh. It smells like someone roasted a pig, wrapped it up like a kebab, He ate it, and then a fucking fecal matter died inside of him with some green beans, and that's what just came out of his ass.
When they get that started, I'm gonna go get this all nice and welded up, tacked up here, and then we're gonna see how it fits with the bumper on it. I got it all tacked up, all solid. I burnt a hole there, don't worry about that. And the fitment is pretty damn good. So there's a tiny gap on this side, but you will not ever see that.
Remember when we first started this car?
Yeah.
We knew nothing about customization or like fabrication.
Yeah.
And now we're just like pulling shit out of our ass.
Yeah.
Like, doing all this shit.
Fucking quality, dude. Who fucking thought we would be fucking welding
That's
that
a
thing up?
Klitsky's custom right there.
Hell yeah.
Dude, I gotta get those stickers. That's a Klitsky's custom.
It's gonna snap off just like the end of the I'm kidding.
Remind me someone for next week to get fucking engine degreaser.
Engine degreaser, I got it on film, so you're good. We're just moving the motor out of the way for now, so we can do some shit to it later on.
$1,000 sitting right here.
$1,000? Yeah, fuck.
Come pick it up. How about this whole car? $4 grand.
4 grand. No one's gonna pay 4 grand for this thing. Yeah, there's a.
Piece of shit, yeah. I mean, great fucking condition. Runs, drives. I mean, look, I can't even move. I can't even turn the steering. Look, I'm turning the ignition right now.
So we're just messing with the gauges now.
There's the air to fuel ratio one. Oh, I could just
Putting those in. All we're doing right now is literally just chilling because we really don't have that much to do right now. Next week we're talking about probably touching up this.
And I'll bring that strut bar too.
And the strut bar, yeah. Yeah. It's a bunch of little things we still have to do, but by maybe the following week we can put the motor in.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the machine shop to call me back about the head.
Yeah.
And I'll order the clutch and then have it shipped out so we can put the motor in. At least once we have the motor in training, and that'll give us some shit to do. Keep us occupied probably for about a week. And we can start working off of that. So we get the motor in, we can do the fucking brakes.
Yep.
Get that out of the way. Put the motor in, connect all the shit, and then
starter. No, I'm kidding.
I would like to fucking put it outside and fucking wash it really quick.
Wash it? Yeah.
That's if it's nice though.
Yeah, you gotta wait for a cleaner day, maybe like no snow or something.
The goal for this is mid-February. Turnkey, start it, see what.
Mid-Feb?
Yeah. Mid-Feb. Once we get it started, we just gotta do little shit.
Just a little shit to make it like really tuned and good and ready to go, and then
realistically, this is what we have left. We have a clutch to put on, put the motor and tranny in, make 2 brake lines, bleed the brakes, bleed the clutch, wire the gauges in, and my exhaust.
Yeah, it's not bad. Oh yeah, I gotta weld up your exhaust too.
Oh, in the meth kit, but that's later.
Oh, in the meth kit. Oh, it's not like a crazy amount to do, but. Hi Tony. So we were just sitting around talking and
jerking the dick.
Talking about pooping.
Oh, dude, I still got this.
You still gotta poop? The fuck? Don't shit yourself. Yeah, we don't have anything to do at all right now until like next week.
Until I get the fucking fittings for the brake line.
So we're just hanging out, not doing anything. Literally anything we can do before we fucking wrap it up today. So.
Not really.
Well, I know what you guys can do. You can like the video and subscribe if you're new.
I mean,
if you want to see more Turbo Cavalier videos.
If anyone wants to buy it, hit me in the DMs.
4 grand. Nobody's gonna buy this for 4,000.
Never know.
Alright.
It's like some fucking 40-year-old dude out there having a hard on for this thing.
You're spraying down the brakes?
Just so it doesn't crack in them, because I don't want to buy new calipers.
Hey, I need to buy new brakes and rotors. You want to buy them?
No, thank you.
Did you ever tell you how much they are?
How much?
So his owner's pretty like cool. He's
his owner?
Yeah.
His owner.
His first shop where he works is pretty cool, and he's gonna give me a discount on it, like only charge me an hour of labor because it's 2 hours. For my truck, it's still $486 just for the front brakes.
Oh, just the front brakes and rotors?
Yeah, so I thought it was everything. He goes, no, it's just the front. I'm like,
putting the headlights in. We'll see how she looks. We'll just come out. It just comes out there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Try the pins, yeah.
oh, wow. Oh, that's a lot of compression.
Uh-oh. That's a fitment.
It's gotta be close.
Looks pretty good.
Dude, this looks a lot better than the other.
Hell yeah, that's really good fitment now.
Compared to the other fenders.
People are gonna look at it like, oh, it's just a car.
Yeah.
And when you get on it, dude, that's when it's gonna show.
It's gonna go
Well, I mean, there's a tube coming out the fucking hood.
in the hood.
Who's, like, seriously, someone's not gonna think of a Cavalier, whatever. They got two.
With a Cavalier with a
You get
massive
some young
turbo on
cocky
it.
ass kid, you know, with this fucking.
Ford Focus.
ST. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here. We didn't really have too much to do anymore. We were just messing around trying to get a good fitment in. So if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. What are we doing next week, Mitch? Oh my god. I got that too. It was
Yeah,
great.
you got like swollen that got like.
We're gonna make those 2 brake lines, bleed the brakes, wire the gauges in. Hopefully by then I can order a clutch so that we can maybe put the motor and tranny in.
Yeah.
Training.
Who the fuck invited this pervert?
Who did?
And then
I'll see your butt or I'll kick your fucking ass. You're not gonna get a ride home.
Get it all.
yeah.
Quality. Hey, we have to touch up that
Oh
paint.
yeah, next week we have to paint.
I'm moving. You just hit me in the head with the bottle. Yeah, don't try to hide it. All right, so we're gonna end it. I'm gonna end it here. So if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe again. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.